Hello, my sweet friends. Welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene. This is Sweet Benji. And good morning. We have a grounding session for you to start your day. Wonderful choice, I might say, to begin your day in this way. Thank you for spending it with us. Let's come into a comfortable seat of your choice. Sit up on something if you want to lift the hips to allow your spine more length. As you sit up nice and tall, just do your best. Inhale in deeply. And right away exhale. Use the exhale to allow the shoulders to get heavy and draw down away from the ears. Again, inhale in deeply. And exhale, shoulders relax. Oh, you might find some soft micro movements here in the neck. And then one more time, big breath in. And landing here in this moment, shoulders relax down. We'll bring the palms together, prayer position. We call this Anjali Mudra. Bring it to your heart space. Draw your chin and bow your head to your heart space here, feeling a stretch in the back of the neck. If you like, there's an opportunity here, an invitation to ground in an intention for the day. You can always elaborate on it later, but finding one word or one sentence here for today. And then we'll release that, bring the palms to the knees, open the eyes, take a deep breath in. And a long centering breath out. Let's transition to all fours. Keep the awareness or the attention on your breath. As you breathe in, drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. And a long centering, grounding exhale as you press into the palms, round through the spine, press into the tops of the feet for cat pose. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Send your gaze forward. Exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest, pressing away from the earth. Inhale, opening the front body. Good, and exhale, opening the back body. One more time with the sound of your breath. And the next time you inhale, come to a tabletop position. Curl the right toes under, just the right toes, and extend the right leg out long. Press through your right heel. Right toes stay on the earth here as we rock gently forward and back. You can feel a nice, loving stretch in the foot, the right Achilles, the right calf. Ground through your knuckles. Hug your low ribs in, draw your low belly in just a hair. And then we'll lift that right leg all the way up, right heel. Try to keep the hips somewhat leveled. And then send your left fingertips forward. So we're finding that balance, that centering in the midline here. Deep breath in. And long breath out to release. We'll switch sides. Curl the left toes under, send that left heel back. And then find this gentle sawing motion front and back. Again, grounding through all of your knuckles. Keeping that awareness, that extension all throughout the spine. Then when you're ready, lift your left heel up. Think about lifting your left inner thigh up towards the sky. Just a hair. Press away from your yoga mat. Breathe. Finding that balance, maybe by reaching the right fingertips forward. Ooh. Bringing your focus, your attention, your mind to your breath, into the sensation of the body. Good. Release that. We'll come back off the wrist just for a second and give them a little love, either moving in circles or you might massage the wrist. And then we'll come back to all fours, extend the right leg out, breathe in. As you exhale, bring that right foot all the way up for a nice low lunge. Lower the back, or keep the back knee lowered and walk it back just a hair. Front knee is over front ankle. Then we'll bring the hands to the waistline, engage through your core, squeeze the inner thighs to the midline of your mat, and find this upward current of energy through the front body and this downward current of energy through the back body. Back toes can be curled under or uncurled, but just find that connection to your back foot. Good, then we can stay here in the nice low lunge, or we can maybe sink the hips down a little bit deeper. Breathe, lift the chest. And then if we want to add the arms, we'll inhale, sweep the arms all the way up and overhead. Big breath, big stretch here. And then exhale to release it and send it all the way back down. Come back to all fours. Right away, inhale, extend the left leg out long. Exhale, step it up all the way for your nice low lunge. Walk the right knee back. Find this connection to the earth, moving really slow here. So we're not just swinging the arms up, but we're really building this from the ground up, squeezing the inner thighs to the midline. Hands come to the waistline to start. And you just take a second here to find that equanimity in the body, in the shape of the asana. Grounding through all four corners of the front foot, grounded through the back foot. Hands can stay on the waistline, or maybe we sweep the arms up, maybe we sink a little bit deeper into the shape, breathing deep. Nice, slow, smooth breaths. And then we'll take it all the way down. This time, fingertips will come to the mat. We'll curl the back toes under, lift the back knee, and then step your right foot up as many times as you need to come into a forward fold with the toes pointing forward and the feet hip width apart. Bend your knees a lot. Allow your belly to move towards your thighs. And then take your version of this standing forward fold here today. We'll do a couple cycles of breath, so you're in no rush here. Grounding through the feet. Welcoming a whole body experience here as you breathe in this shape. Letting the breath move you. Sending your awareness to all four corners of the feet, so really grounding through the whole foot. Then take one more breath. Then slowly, with bent knees, feet grounded, we'll slide the hands to the waistline and begin to root down through the feet to rise up to mountain. And feel your feet grounded into the earth. Best you can, feel the energy of that connection of your feet on the ground, drawing energy up from the earth through the inner ankle, the inseam of your legs, up through the pelvic floor. A gentle, ever so slight drawing in of the navel in and up, and then keep that energetic flow traveling up through the torso, through the heart space, through the neck, through the third eye, and all the way up through the crown of the head. And then just take a moment here to embody this pose, just like with 5% more energy, whatever that means to you. See what happens. Nice. Then release the fingertips down, wiggle them out. Inhale, reach the arms up for a big stretch. Grab the left wrist with the right hand. Take it up and over. Try to keep your feet and your low body grounded here as you side body stretch to the right. And then take it back to center. Side body stretch to the left. Take it back to center. Bend the elbows, bring them to your sides here, cactus arms, and then release the fingertips, wrists, and interlace the fingertips behind the back. We're gonna open up through the chest here. We're almost done, so really taking some nice, solid, deep, grounding breaths here. Preparing you for the day in a grounded way. Connected to your body, connected to your breath, and release the hands, bring the palms to your heart space, connected to your heart space. Option here to bring the feet together, really together. An option here to find a soft focus down past your nose, maybe finding a focal point or a drishti out in front of you, and gently lifting the heels, coming up onto the toes, just for a little balancing, and then release, and twice more, up onto the toes. Lift your heart up towards your palms, good, and then release, and last time, inhale on the toes, and release. Awesome. Let's bring the palms together. Wishing you a beautiful day. You can rub the palms together here. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me. Take good care. Namaste.